So here we are going to see the basics of network topology. I am Dr. K. Sumadhi, working as professor in Kalingar Institute of Technology. LAN topology. LAN topology means it's a physical or logical arrangement of links in a network. Generally, topology refers to the layout of connected devices in a network. So, topology of a network is nothing but geometric representation of the relationship between all communication links. So we have three types of networks like LAN, WAN and MAN. In this we are going to see the LAN topology. We have several types of topology available: mesh topology, star topology, tree topology, bus topology, ring topology and hybrid topology. So first one, we are going to see the mesh topology. So here, consider we have several devices. Each device is connected to the other device by means of a dedicated point-to-point link. Here, the formula to calculate the number of links required in a mesh topology is given by n into n minus 1 divided by 2. For example, if we take n as 5, the number of links which is required is 5 into 4 divided by 2, that is 10 communication links are needed for this type of example. And coming to the mesh topology, in mesh topology we have that is here the example we can see here for some 5 devices are connected. All the 5 devices are connected to other devices by means of a separate or a dedicated link between them. Advantage: it eliminates the traffic problem. Each station can transmit data to any other station it wants to transmit, but cost of implementation is high. Its robustness, it has privacy and security. Call can be easily found, which connection is not there, which link is damaged, like that we can easily find. Mesh topology: more number of cables are used here. Every devices must be connected to some other devices, so installation process is very difficult here. And comes the next topology is star topology. Here one basic difference is, here we have a centralized hub kind of thing. It is a central controller we have that is called as a hub. To the hub all the devices are connected. Each devices have separate link which is connected to the hub. So if one device wants to transmit to another one, means the communication is taking place through the hub. So disadvantage is if the hub fails, the entire communication is failed. So this is a simple diagram which narrates the star topology. At the central part we have a central controller or hub. 4 devices are connected. So if A wants to transmit data to D, means it is handled by the hub. So A should transmit the data to the hub, then hub forwards the data to D. So coming to the advantages: less expensive than mesh topology, less number of cables are used, and it is robustness. Here disadvantage: each device has to be connected to the central controller, so more installation is required. Disadvantage is if central controller failure, means the entire communication will go off. Then comes a tree topology. Tree has some variation from the star topology. The nodes in the tree are linked to the central controller. We have primary hub as well as a primary hub is a tree. It is represented as active hub. So we have secondary hub also. To the primary hub, the another hub is connected, that is called a secondary hub. Active hub is called as primary hub and the passive hub is called as secondary hub. So in this diagram we can see a central controller is there. A and B act as a active hub, and to that we have several hubs. Passive hubs are connected. To that several stations are connected. So tree topology allows more number of devices to be connected in a single central controller. It allows the network to prioritize the communication. So disadvantage is each device must be centrally linked to the controller. It requires more installation process. So if central controller fail, means the entire communication will go off. Then comes the bus topology. It describes a multi-point configuration. So there is here the construction is follows. There is only one long cable which acts as a backbone, which is linking all the devices in a network. Devices are connected in a bus topology with the help of drop lines and as well as tapes. So the diagram which indicates that there is a long backbone line. We can see the drop line as well as tapes here. And installation process is very easy. Redundancy can be eliminated. Less number of cables are required for this. Coming to the disadvantage, reconfiguration of the circuit is very difficult. Adding and deletion of devices is difficult. Then comes the interesting topology, ring topology. Here, each device has a dedicated point-to-point link between the other devices. The signals are passed along the ring. It is happening by means of a token passing mechanism. The ring topology is used in token ring standard, where the token passing scheme is the mechanism which is used in that. So each ring will act as a repeater. So here we can see that all the devices connected in the form of a ring. Each device is connected to the other by means of a connection. It's very easy to install as well as reconfigure. Fault can be easily identified. So ring topology disadvantage is unidirectional only. If one ring fails means if one device gets failure, then the entire system communication will be go off. And hybrid, we can have hybrid combination of topologies, like we can combine star and mesh, like that we can go for. So the hybrid topology, like hub and star can be connected, hub and ring can be connected, and hub and star can be connected. Okay.